Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a nail tutorial for you. So this is the original that I recreated for a secret mani swap. And this was posted about last Tuesday on my Instagram, so I'm super late getting to it, but sorry, and here it is. I will leave Allie's link down below and her picture again at the end, as well as the collage, so I hope you enjoy. And I started off with a blue dry top-coated base, and I'm using cuticular nail tape for fast, super easy cleanup. And I'm applying the polish to the sponge and then rolling it on my nail and then moving it up and down a little bit to blend the colors very well. And I'm gonna put some sparkle on it and some polka dots with my dotting tool and then top coat it and finish up. And I will leave her link down below, and my Instagram is linked down below also if you want to go and check it out. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoy. Any questions, leave them down below. Bye.